Alright guys, here we are for update number 2 for Rogue Patriot and Year of the Beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so let's jump into this. Today is update number 2 for Rogue Patriot Beard Company and Year of the Beard. So we had an unboxing. We've had one update. So we are now talking about another scent for Rogue Patriot. And if you missed those videos, I'll put cards up top for the unboxing and update number 1 that was last week. So now we are in, I guess, the end of week 2 and talking about another product. So what we're going to talk about today is a lot of stuff. So hopefully this won't be as long as the unboxing video. And if you stayed through that whole long video, I thank you. So let's jump into this. So today we're going to be talking about the scent Sinus Assassin. Now we're going to be talking about that in beard wash, beard conditioner, beard oil, if I can get everything out of my little pocket here, beard balm, and the sun's not going to work, and beard butter. So we're going to talk about all 5 of these products today. I've been using the oil, balm, and butter for a week. The wash and conditioner I've been using for 2 weeks. So we're going to give you what I think about it and how it's been doing. Let's get going. So first, let's talk about the balm. This is Sinus Assassin scent profile on all of these products. This is the beard balm. It is a 1 ounce screw top tin beard balm. Ingredients on the balm: beeswax, cocoa butter, mango butter, sweet almond oil, shea butter, avocado oil, macadamia oil, olive oil, argan oil, and signature blend of essential oils. All right. So you can see that kind of a off-white color. We've used some of it. We hadn't used as much as we have of the butter, but it is a really good product. It just smells so fresh. It's called Sinus Assassin. It's mint, various different mints and eucalyptus, and it really smells good. I thought that once I put this in beard, it would be one of those scents that would not be like an everyday thing, but it is pretty strong. I'll tell you, it is pretty strong in can, in bottle, that kind of thing. But once you put it in beard, that settles down and it smells really good. It's kind of just that, you get that mintiness. You don't get so much of that eucalyptus, but you get more of that mintiness, and it smells really, really good. So this is, it does have beeswax as the lead ingredient, so it does have a little bit of hold, but the beeswax, what I noticed using the balm for the last 2 weeks, 2 different scent profiles, is it has a little bit of hold, but not a whole lot. I think I said in update number 1 that I will line it up with more of a conditioning balm. I'm gonna retract that and say that it does have a little bit of hold to it. Not a whole lot, but it does have a subtle hold to it. So really good product. Okay, next let's talk about the butter. So the butter comes in this blue screw top plastic container. See that? Ingredients on the butter: coconut oil, cocoa butter, mango butter, sweet almond oil, beeswax, shea butter, avocado oil, macadamia oil, olive oil, argan oil, and our signature blend of essential oils. So that is the butter, more of a white color. And let me tell you something. This butter conditions, it does a very good job with my beard. It has done amazing. So my routine has been butter at night and oil and balm, or oil and butter during the day, and it has worked out really, really well for my beard. This is a really great product. Really like this. It's not a whipped, it's a, I guess a poured, is that what it's called? A poured butter, and it just breaks down so very well. I think I broke it down in the other video, but look at that. I mean, it just melts away and melts down for you to apply, and it is, I love it. And this is a 2-ounce tub of butter. So now let's talk about the oil. In Sinus Assassin, also comes in that cobalt blue bottle. This one has the Rogue Patriot beard oils have the pump top on them, which is cool. It's different. It's not something that you see from every other company. And ingredients on the oil: sweet almond oil, castor oil, grape oil, olive oil, argan oil, and our signature blend of essential oils. It smells just like the butter, the balm. They all smell exactly the same. You're not changing the scent of what's going in your beard from mixing and matching product and putting different things in. I love the fact that I get no carrier in this, no carrier when I use this, and this straight up smells just like those two, and it smells amazing. Like I said, put this in. It is a little bit strong in bottle, but once you put it in, it settles down, and it is a really smooth, good scent. Really like it. This is a little bit thicker oil. I think I said it in the other video. It is somewhere between that medium and thick on consistency, but I do like a thicker oil. So it has done really good in my beard. It's starting to cool off a little bit. That's when you want that thicker oil. It's gonna stay with you longer. It's gonna do more. So I really like a thicker oil, especially in the wintertime. And that one is 2 thumbs up from me. So now let's talk about the beard wash and the beard conditioner. So we'll start with the beard wash. So the beard wash and the conditioner both come in an 8-ounce cobalt blue bottle like this. And you can see the label here. And I'll go ahead and tell you, labels from Rogue Patriot, labels are on point. Love these labels. Just the design of them, the information that's included, they just look really sharp, really clean, really professional, and really like these. So the beard wash is paraben-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. And again, like I said, this comes in Sinus Assassin. I think it comes in 2 different scents that you can pick from, but the one he sent for me was Sinus Assassin. This is, I don't know if you can see it in there. It is a thick, thick beard wash, all right? And it lathers up really well and does an amazing job of cleaning my beard. I don't get that it's very stripping. To me, it just was a cleansing beard wash. It didn't feel like it stripped everything down. As I've said before, compared to a pine tar soap, it didn't feel like it really stripped it down that far, but did a really good job of cleaning my beard. And then let's talk about the conditioner. Both of these, like I said, were in Sinus Assassin, and they smell exactly like the oil and balm and butter, and you can see that in there. That is a thick conditioner, and it did amazing. I can definitely tell a difference in my beard when I go with the wash and the conditioner versus just a wash or just a rinse. That conditioner just really does a good job of conditioning my beard. Makes it really easy to get a comb through this curly beard. And I can tell you, with these products, with this butter, this oil, this balm, I have not been conditioning my beard, but maybe every 3 days. I did do it in a stretch. The first week of the month, I did do it for about 2 days, 3 days consecutively, just to see what it would do to my beard, if it would have any ill effect doing it that much. Had none. But then I broke it down and started doing it about every 3 to 4 days is what I've been conditioning. Now washing, it's just according to what I'm doing during the day as to what I'm going to do with the beard wash. And normally I wash about every other day. I use the beard wash, and it has done amazing for my beard. I'm telling you, I mean, my beard feels super healthy just after 2 weeks of using these products. Like I said in the other videos, all of the butters have the same ingredients. All of the oils have the same ingredients. All of the balms have the same ingredients. And that is the point of Year of the Beard. Using these products for a solid month to see what this carrier base does for the health of my beard. Using the same thing for a month to see how it does health-wise for my beard. And I can tell you so far, 2 weeks in, my beard feels amazing. It feels super soft. I just applied some balm before I came out here, and I've got a little bit of a shine on my hand when I really get down and wipe my beard, but not bad. It is pretty much absorbed in and done everything that it's supposed to do. Love it. These are some great products. Don't forget the discount code that Brandon has provided for the month of October during these reviews, and that is Year of the Beard. That is going to save you some money during the course of the month of October. According to what he said, is for October. I don't know if he's going to extend it past then, so you want to get over and get you some of this stuff. Now let me tell you about prices. So oils, $15, balm, $15, butter, $20, wash, $20, and conditioner, $20. However, he does have some combo deals. You can get the wash and conditioner together for $35. That'll save you $5. You can get an oil and a balm combo for $25. That'll save you $5. Most of the combos ended up saving about $5 over the course of the combo versus buying the things individually. You can get a 3-pack. You can get the oil, balm, and butter all in a combo, and that one is going to run you $45 for all three, which are not bad prices. This is right there in the market average, and I'm telling you right now, 2 weeks in, these are some quality products. Absolutely love them. Looking forward to the next 2 weeks and using more of these products and seeing how they do. Don't know what my next scent's going to be, but we're going to jump on that. So that's a lot, and this is a long video, longer than I wanted it to be, but make sure to get over to Rogue Patriot, check out the website, use that discount code. Link will be in the description for Rogue Patriot. Get over there, check it out. Don't forget to check out my website as well. Link will be in the description. And that on my website, I have information about Year of the Beard, kind of a summary about some of the months that we've done in the past, and you can go check those out. I also have a lot of other things on there, some discount codes and that kind of thing. So get over, check it out, and that's it. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.